Imagine opening your closet and loving everything you see. No more digging through clutter, no more nothing to wear moments. In today's episode of the Mindshift Mami Show, we're diving into a powerful combination of mindset shifts and practical strategies to help you declutter your closet like a pro. We'll also explore how understanding your unique color season can make it easier to choose clothes that truly make you shine. So if you're ready to create a wardrobe that makes you feel confident, organized, and totally in control, stick around. By the end of this episode, you'll have everything you need to kick off fall with a closet and a mindset that'll truly support you. But first, welcome back. My name is Jazri, and I discuss topics around self-empowerment, authenticity, and personal growth. So if those are things that you're into, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button as I post new episodes every Monday. Now, let's get into today's episode. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of physically decluttering, let's talk about mindset. For many of us, the idea of clearing out our closets can feel daunting. We might feel emotionally attached to certain items, guilty about the money we've spent, or even afraid to let go of things just in case we need them someday. But here's a little mind shift I want to offer you today. Think of decluttering as an opportunity to create space for what truly serves you. Your closet should be a reflection of who you are now, not who you were in the past. By letting go of the old, you make room for the new, whether that's new clothes, new energy, or even new opportunities. So as you approach this task, frame it as a self-care ritual. You're not just organizing your clothes, you're creating a peaceful, efficient, and confidence-boosting space for yourself, which is going to reflect how you then show up in the world. Now that we've got the right mindset in place, let's get practical. Decluttering can feel overwhelming if you try to do it all at once, so I recommend breaking it down into steps. First, set the scene. 3,000 degrees. Pick a time when you won't be rushed, maybe like on a weekend morning, and create a positive environment. I'm serious when I say make this a self-care ritual. Put on some music or a good show or movie in the background, or your favorite podcast. Light a candle or put on some yummy smelling, relaxing scent in your essential oil diffuser. Also, make sure you've eaten something and you have a nice full tummy. I need you to do whatever helps you get into a good headspace. Next, start the pile process. I like to do it Marie Kondo style, where everything gets taken out from my drawers and my closet and made into one huge pile on my bed. Now comes the sorting process. Go through each individual item one by one and divide your clothing into 3 categories: keep, donate or sell, and discard. One rule of thumb is the 1-year rule. If you haven't worn it in a year, it's probably time to let it go. But beyond that, ask yourself if each piece still fits your body and your lifestyle. If it doesn't, it might be time to say goodbye. Marie Kondo also says to hold each piece and see if it brings you joy. So really do try practicing that and see if you actually feel happy when you think about wearing that piece. But let's talk more about that lifestyle part. As you're sorting through your clothes, think about the person you're becoming versus the person you used to be. For example, maybe you're still holding on to old college shirts or worn out pajamas, but you're at a stage in your life where you want to step more into your womanhood, or you're shifting your identity to someone who's just more successful. Those clothes, while comfortable and nostalgic, might not align with the new version of you that you're working toward. They can actually unconsciously hold you back, keeping you in a mindset of the past rather than where you want to be right now and in the future. Your wardrobe should reflect the life you want to live, not just the life you've lived. So as you go through your clothes, ask yourself, does this align with who I'm becoming? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. Using that strategy personally helped me get rid of tons of bags of clothes. Sometimes we keep clothes just because we think utility-wise they're still good, but that doesn't necessarily mean they still align with you and your identity. Also, don't forget to evaluate the condition of your clothes. If something is worn out, stained, or damaged beyond repair, it's time to let it go. And as you do this, think about the seasonality of your wardrobe. Store away your summer clothes to make more room for your fall pieces. This will help you stay organized and make it easier to find what you need when you need it. So for me, I keep bins in the bottom of my closet space for my seasonal clothes. So I'll now be transitioning my summer clothes into the bin and my fall and more wintry stuff out. Another helpful tip to help you determine what to hold on to and what to let go of is by finding out what your personal color season is. Have you ever noticed that some colors make people look radiant while other colors seem to wash them completely out? That's where color seasons come in. Your color season is determined by your skin tone, hair color, and eye color, and it can help you figure out which colors are most flattering on you. There are 4 main color seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. You can actually even go more in depth and figure out if you are a light, dark, or true season. Knowing your color season can make it much easier to decide what to keep and what to let go of during your decluttering process. Keep the pieces that make you feel vibrant and confident, and consider donating or selling the ones that don't align with your season. And if you're not sure about your color season, there are plenty of online resources and even consultations that you can do that can help you figure it out. So you've decluttered your closet and now you have all this beautiful space. But here's something important to keep in mind. It's incredibly easy to feel the urge to fill back up that empty space with new clothes. This is something we all experience, and it can lead us right back to a cluttered closet full of things we don't really need. So let's talk about some strategies to help you maintain your closet throughout the season. First, be mindful of your shopping habits. Before you buy something new, ask yourself, do I really need this? Does it fit with my current wardrobe and lifestyle? And will I wear it more than once? By being intentional about your purchases, you can avoid falling into the trap of buying cheap, trendy clothes that you'll end up tossing in a few months anyways. Another helpful tip is to give yourself a cooling off period. If you see something you like, wait at least 24 hours before making the actual purchase. Often, the impulse to buy will fade, and you'll realize you don't actually need it. With online shopping making everything so accessible, this tip has helped me so much and save a lot of money that I did not need to be spending. And remember, it's okay to embrace empty space. Having emptier drawers and a streamlined closet can actually make you feel more at peace and organized. It's not about how much you have, it's really about how much of it you love and use. So if you find yourself tempted to fill up space just for the sake of it, take a step back and remind yourself of the intention behind your decluttering in the first place. And finally, consider the quality over quantity mindset. Invest in pieces that are well made, versatile, and that you truly enjoy wearing. These items may cost more upfront, but they'll last longer and bring more value to your wardrobe in the long run. Plus, buying quality items reduces waste, which is better for the environment and your wallet. Please do keep in mind, just because something is expensive doesn't mean it's automatically high quality, especially these days. There are a lot of fashion brands out here selling polyester for hundreds of dollars. It's important to educate yourself on quality materials. There's plenty of great YouTubers that go more in depth into quality and things that you can look out for, and I'll link some of the ones that I know below. To wrap up this episode, let's remember that a decluttered closet isn't just about getting rid of clothes. It's about creating mental clarity, simplifying your decisions, and stepping into the new season with confidence. So take your time, enjoy the process, and remember that you're doing this for you. And now I want to share 5 affirmations to support you on this journey. You can repeat them after me or just let them sink in. I release what no longer serves me with ease and gratitude. I release what no longer serves me with ease and gratitude. My wardrobe reflects who I am and how I want to feel. My wardrobe reflects who I am and how I want to feel. I trust my choices and embrace simplicity. I trust my choices and embrace simplicity. My closet is organized and my mind is clear. My closet is organized and my mind is clear. I deserve to feel confident and comfortable in everything I wear. I deserve to feel confident and comfortable in everything I wear. Speaking of confidence, you can check out my episode on how to easily rebuild your confidence, which will go great paired with this refreshed wardrobe of yours. So if you haven't watched that one yet, I highly recommend it as it's packed with easy, small mindset shifts and strategies to become your most confident self yet. Thanks so much for tuning in to the Mindshift Mami Show this week. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode, and feel free to share this episode with someone who you know could really use a good closet declutter. I can't wait to hear how it goes for you, and until next time, keep shifting those mindsets and stepping into your best self. I'll see you in another episode. Take care. Bye.